wonderful viewers. Welcome back. It's your channel, Rebikit Foods, a channel of amazing recipes, easy recipes, African traditional recipes, and travel and events.
The snack I'm going to share with you is meat pie. And guys, when you're making snack, consider the age group, consider children, consider youths, and consider others. So balance your snack. So today I'm going to share with you some how to make some meat pie, grounded beef meat pie. So stay tuned. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. I have some grounded beef. I have some 2 eggs. I have red onions. I have diced potatoes. I have carrot. I have ginger, some salt to taste, and the spices I'm going to use. I love paprika, turmeric, and I have some beef cubes and some oil. You can use butter, but I've decided to use oil, cooking oil. So stay tuned. So first, I will start by preparing my beef before I make the dough. So come with me. I will just start by adding some cooking oil to the pan. So I will place my onions to cook and let them cook until they wither. So guys, once they brown, I will add my garlic, then carrots. Remember guys, we are making meat pie, tasty meat pie, a snack loved by many people. I'll cover it for a while to let it cook. So I will add in my diced potatoes and mix up everything. Some salt. Then I let it cook for about 5 minutes. So stay tuned. So guys, after it has blanched slightly, we are now going to add in our beef. So at this point now I can add in my spices to cook together with my beef. So I have beef cubes. I'll put 2 of them. I have my paprika. I have my turmeric. I mix up everything together. Then I will add in some water to let it cook. So at this point, I'll let everything there cook. I will cover, and meanwhile, I'm going to knead my dough for the meat pie. So come with me. I will add salt. I'll add 2 cups of cooking flour. Then you can use some butter, 2 tablespoons. Then I have my eggs here, my 2 eggs. Then with warm water, here I go. So I'll mix up everything together. So guys, I'll need a hard surface. Make sure the dough is well kneaded. So remember guys, my beef is still cooking and the aroma is killing me. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Enjoy your Christmas. And make sure it's very soft. Then after this, we are going to keep it here. Cover it for 30 more minutes. Stay tuned. So guys, just to check on my beef, well done. It is dry now, but not very much dry. And the potatoes are well cooked now. The carrots are well cooked. So what I'm going to do is just to take it out and continue with my dough and let it cool. So stay tuned. So 30 minutes are over. Look at my dough guys. It's very soft. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to roll it. So for your meat pies to have the same size, you must have a measuring tool. So for me, I'm going to use this. And put it aside. I will do another one. These are my wraps. So what I'm going to do first, because I'm going to bake them, I'll lubricate my dough with some oil, then place this. Make sure you place it well, then close and then tap it. So after doing that, you will use a fork to close. When you're closing, make sure you pull it up again to make sure that it is well closed. Then turn the other side. You can also do the same. Then put it aside. I will continue the same process. Continue the same procedure. Stay tuned, guys. You have to make some pause. So we are going to bake this. We are going to bake them in oven. Already my oven has been preheated 40 minutes or 35 minutes at 180 degrees. So stay tuned. I'm going to lubricate my baking pan. I have my parchment paper here with me. So I'll place them in here one by one. So guys, I guess my meat pie are done. Okay, they are done. So this is another snack which is very good, essential for Christmas. It's healthy because it has some proteins, it has some vegetables, it has some carbohydrates in it. So this is the best. One of the best, so it's healthy. Thank you for this. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.
Welcome.